Hi everybody, I'm Troy. Welcome first graders. How are you all doing today? Welcome to our online session. Today we're going to learn about number operations in base 10. Okay, so we're going to extend the counting sequence, we're going to understand place value, and we're going to use place value to understand properties of operations to add and subtract within 10. Okay, we're going to subtract within 10. Okay, this is 1 NBT 1 through NBT 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. So we're first just going to look at subtracting within 10. And we have a little tool here that helps us understand that. What is this object you're seeing on the screen here? What is it called? It's called a 10 frame. So this 10 frame will help us look at how do we subtract certain numbers. Okay. So for example, okay, if you look at this 10 frame, what do we see here? Let's count them individually. Let's count these boxes in this 10 frame together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But did we really have to count each individual one? Each individual box? How many boxes are on the top row? 5, correct. How many boxes are on the bottom row? 5, that is correct. So therefore we know that with both of those rows together we have 10. So we don't really have to count each individual one. We know that the top row has 5 and the bottom row has 5. Okay, so let's say this. In our class we have 10 kids, right? Let's say 7 of them go to music class. How many are left in our class? Okay, so if we have 7 kids from our class of 10, we have 10 kids in our class and 7 of them go to music class, how many of them are left in our class? Okay, so the best way to do this is we can mark off how many kids go to music class in this box. 1, 2, I'm just doing little circles. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many kids are left in our class? Well, we know we don't have to count each individual one, right? Well, we just know that, oh, there's 3 boxes that are left open. So therefore 3 kids are left in our class. Okay. Let's say we have 10 oranges on a tree. Okay. And you picked 6 of them. How many are left on the tree? Let's do a different color here. And you said we're going to put a red X through the ones you picked. So we have 10 oranges on a tree. Okay, let's do orange because we're doing oranges. You have 10 oranges on a tree and you picked 6 of them. How many do we have left? So we know that we picked 6 of them. We can just, one top row is worth 5. We can just do the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we need one more, right? Because we need one more than 5. How many are left on the tree? Well, you can count the spots that are left here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 left on the tree. You can use this one for anything else. Okay, so we can do, we can see how many, if you got 4 questions right on a test out of 10, how many questions did you get wrong? If you got 4 questions right on a test out of 10, how many did you get wrong? Well, you would have gotten 6 wrong, right? Because we have 5 here and then 1 more. So that is how we do this counting and subtracting of 10.